Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can recover your Apple ID without your phone number. So I'm gonna give you some steps you have to follow it to fix your issue in Apple ID. Just follow some steps. So simply just go to settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. If you don't find where you just disconnect, just scroll down and just go to the VPN and device management section. Just tap on that, and here you just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go back and just simply just go to Safari, and here you just have to search iCloud.com. So here you just have to tap I forgot your password. Just type on that and click on help someone else, just like that. And here you just have to type an email of your Apple ID, just like my Apple ID iCloud ID is like that. So I'm gonna search it. You have to just search iCloud.com and just search it. And here they require your phone number to verify it. So you just have to just type your phone number. And here it is showing that your phone number is not correct. So I'm gonna type again. I think I didn't type a country code. So they're taking mistake. I think that's a different mistake. I think 0302. No. I think I type a wrong number. So I'm gonna type again another number. And just type it, and they want to verify it to send a code, just like that. And simply the just verification code. After verification code, your Apple ID go to verify, and you have to update your email password. And also if you want to add any phone number, just add it and your Apple ID got recovered. So that's the step you have to follow it to fix your Apple ID problem and also recover your Apple ID without your phone number. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.